Hello friends, I have ordered some stuffs for my project from Canakit. These are actually the Raspberry Pi, Zero, and some other accessories. One, two, three, zero, and where is the camera? I have also ordered a camera. This is Raspberry Pi Pico, whatever. I have 3 units here, and then this is just Raspberry Pi Zero W. Two USB port, micro SD card slot, HDMI, mini HDMI or micro, whatever, and this one unit, and they have 2 units. These 2 are identical. Okay, let's see. 2 identical units. Micro SD card, the Raspberry Pi Zero, and obviously here should be the power supply. The power supply. Okay, so both of them are same. I'll put it back. Okay, this is, this 2 is 101. We know that in undergrad or bachelor courses, something 101 is very basic course. This is the basic Raspberry Pi, and this is probably standard or something. There is no code 102 or 202. Let's see inside. So here, obviously this is the power supply unit, the first one, the large one, what we can see BRI. This is the power supply. Okay, nothing inside, the power supply only. What we can see, only the power supply. On the computer, the Raspberry Pi is very thin, very small, very tiny. This is the, oh my god, they give me two of them. Oh, with one of them with camera. Good. Oh no, it's not for camera. It's one altogether. This is just the extension for camera. So here I can use this one, I can use this one, or even I can use this one. Doesn't matter. Not bad. I'll put this stuffs back. These are the important and the most important stuffs here for Raspberry Pi, because for those two I don't have an OTG to use. I purchased only one because this is a bit higher price, and for my experiment one OTG is fine, because normally I will use this as headless version of Raspberry Pi. I'm not gonna use the monitor, but for at least for setup, sometimes you need the keyboard and mouse. But even without the keyboard and mouse, we can set up Raspberry Pi. So this is the main unit. This is the computer. This is the memory. 16 GB. Yeah. And wow, there is a heatsink also, small heatsink. And this is the mini HDMI to HDMI, and this is OTG cable. Because if I want to use a mouse or keyboard, I have to access the port, Raspberry Pi port, and these two are micro. I think, yeah, the micro USB port. So I'll attach one of them. One of them is for power, another one is to attach mouse or keyboard. Yeah, that's all. I was just wondering, where is my camera? I have ordered a no IR camera. Might be I'm wrong, but I have to check it. Yeah, thank you for watching my video. I will show more unboxing videos and sometimes reviews in my channel. Stick with my channel, subscribe it, and also comment what else you want to know, you want to see. I am going through several experiment, not only coding, real life experiment and tests, projects. So sometimes I'll share some of them, but if you want to hear something else, just let me know. I'll try my best to make that video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.